Hey guys, how to use Grammarly AI to avoid common grammar mistakes. First of all, install the Grammarly using your app store, or you can use the official website to log in and start typing, right? And you can set the tone, of course, for your writing, right? If you want it to be, formal, casual, or even, entertaining, whatever it might be, right? So as you can see right here, I wrote an example, right? And while I'm writing the example, Grammarly will flag, of course, the mistakes that are right here, for example, right? And they will flag that there is a problem, right? So I'm gonna enter the correct word automatically. They will flag it, and they will underline that word, and I'm gonna be able to edit it automatically, right? And as for setting the tone, you can just highlight the text, click the green pencil at the bottom right, and you're gonna hit continue, right? And you can see right here formal, neutral, casual, and you can make it assertive, constructive, diplomatic, whatever it might be. Go ahead and select, and then hit generate text right here, and hit insert, and you're gonna see the formal or the different setting, the different tone for the text, right? And you can review the sentence structure, right? Grammarly flags run-on sentences and suggests proper punctuation or dividing them into smaller or clearer sentences. This is for length, for long text. In my case, I'm using an example. So in your time, if you're drafting a report or a email or something like that, they will make sure to flag any mistakes like I showed you in that example of that problem, and how they flag it automatically, right? So make sure that you avoid the common mistakes in writing. Grammarly AI can help you avoid these common errors like subject-verb agreement, misplaced modifiers, double negatives, incorrect pronoun usage, or comma splices, right? So you can use Grammarly suggestions for clarity and style, right? And they are consistent. So if there is any word that must be like any word that could be written in wrong sentence, you're gonna see right here the correct spelling right here. This is the correct spelling for that word, right? So basically by following these steps in leveraging Grammarly's AI, you can consistently avoid common grammar mistakes and produce clear, error-free writing. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.